If you have received an income tax notice related to FD interest, what is your first reaction? Is it usually of fear? Many people immediately think something serious has gone wrong or that a penalty is certain. But the truth is very different. In a large number of genuine cases in India, this type of notice can be resolved smoothly and sometimes even without any penalty, provided right legal steps are taken at the right time. In this video, I will explain in simple language why Income Tax Department sends FD interest mismatch notice, what common mistake most taxpayers unknowingly make, and the exact legal process you should follow immediately after receiving such a notice in India. And please stay till the end, because I will also share a simple prevention method that can help you avoid FD related notices completely in future years. Why FD interest notice are increasing in India? Over the last few years, the Income Tax Department in India has significantly strengthened its data matching and compliance monitoring systems. Today, banks directly report your fixed deposit interest income to the department through Form 26AS, Annual Information Statement known as AIS, and other financial reporting mechanism. Because of this automated reporting, even a small difference between the FD interest shown in AIS and FD interest declared in your return can trigger a system-generated compliance notice or alert. This does not necessarily mean wrongdoing. It simply means the system has detected a mismatch that needs clarification. Here is one very important point that most taxpayers do not realize. Even a very small mismatch, sometimes just a few rupees of interest difference, can trigger a notice from the system. But receiving a notice does not automatically mean penalty, prosecution, or serious legal trouble. What matters most is how quickly and correctly you respond. So what are the real reasons behind FD interest mismatch? FD interest mismatch usually happens for a very ordinary and genuine reasons. Sometimes a taxpayer forgets to include a small fixed deposit from another bank. Sometimes the interest is reinvested, so the person feels no income was actually received. In case of FDs in joint names, confusion arises regarding whose income it should be. And in many situations, people assume that because TDS has already been deducted by the bank, no further declaration is required in the return, which is not always correct under the Indian tax law. This is a compliance mistake, not intentional concealment. What will be your first legal step after receiving notice? The most important first step after receiving an FD interest notice is not to panic, but it is verification. You should immediately log into the official income tax e-filing portal of India and carefully review your annual information statement, that is AIS. Then compare the FD interest appearing in your AIS with the interest declared in your income tax return. If both match, the issue is usually procedural and easy to clarify. But if there is a difference, then the next action must be taken carefully and legally and not in haste. 3 major mistakes taxpayers make. At this stage, 3 serious mistakes are commonly seen. Some taxpayers simply ignore the notice, hoping it will disappear on its own, which can later lead to penalty or further proceedings. Others rush to file a revised return without proper verification, which sometimes creates a bigger compliance issue than the original mismatch. And many believe that tax deduction by the bank means the tax matter is already fully settled, which is not. Correct understanding is extremely important here. What is the correct step-by-step legal resolution? The correct resolution process is actually structured and manageable. First, obtain the exact FD interest certificate from every bank where deposits exist. Second, match those figures with AIS and Form 26S. If any income was missed in the original return, a revised return or updated return should be filed in accordance with the Indian tax provisions. And if the AIS itself shows incorrect reporting, you have the legal right to submit online AIS feedback requesting correction. When these steps are followed properly, most FD interest notices are resolved smoothly without escalation. The biggest fear in the minds of taxpayers is always the possibility of penalty. But in genuine situations where the mismatch is corrected voluntarily and promptly, penalty can often be avoided or significantly reduced under the Indian tax compliance practice. Delay and inaction create more difficulty than the original mistake. So the real focus should always be timely correction and not fear. What is the simple method to avoid future FD notice? Avoiding such notice in future is actually much simpler than people think. Before filing your income tax return each year, always download and review your AIS statement carefully. Always declare complete FD interest income and not just the amount where TDS is deducted. And always keep track of all bank deposits, including those that were closed during the year. This one discipline habit can prevent majority of FD related compliance notice in India. In my professional practice, I've seen many taxpayers lose sleep over notice that are actually simple to resolve when handled with the right legal understanding. The real key is never panic. The real key is correct action at the correct time. If this explanation helped you understand your FD interest notice situation more clearly, do subscribe to Pocket Tax Lawyer for simple practical guidance on income tax notice, compliance, and taxpayer rights in India. You may also comment FD below and I will create a detailed next video showing the exact step-by-step method to draft a proper reply to the notice.